it's me, and started not making videos. I had SATs, and I catched a cold. You can see my voice has changed. So this video is about making us sneeze. Yeah, making us sneeze. So let's get started. So we need to get a tissue. Okay, this is clean. This is not dirty. Don't comment that. So you just twist it in, and this is gross. No. I bet I can sneeze right now. Come on! Okay, yeah, I can. Come on! I know this is gross, but yeah. That worked. You lose. I sneeze. Bye. Comment down below which word is your favorite word. Yeah, and subscribe for more videos. Bye. See you. I don't know when. Bye.